बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड्स, उम्मीद करते हैं कि आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। फ्रेंड्स, आज के सेशन में हम डिस्कस करेंगे 26 बेस्ट वर्कफ्लो मैनेजमेंट सॉफ्टवेयर टू बूस्ट एफिशिएंसी इन 2023। वीडियो की तरफ पढ़ने से पहले हमारी आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें। चलिए आज के सेशन की तरफ पढ़ते हैं। Workflow management is an important process to understand, especially in this era of widespread remote work. Even more important is workflow management software, the vehicle through which workflow campaigns, projects, and tasks are managed. In this article, we will review some of the basics of the workflow management, learn about the basic workflow management software, and highlight some of the features that every workflow management solutions should have. What is workflow management? To kick things off, let's dig into the definition of workflow management. Workflow management is defined as the coordination of the tasks that build up within a team or organization to complete a larger project. Workflow itself is just the broad term for the collection of the individual tasks that are completed to achieve a larger goal in process, and the management part of the phrase that just means that there is someone or something overseeing overall strategy. A key part of the understanding workflow is that it has to be a repeatable process that can be happen many times in succession. You can also implement the concept of workflow mapping to better understand these processes and keep improving them. To look a little more into the concepts of the workflow on its own, it's imperative to understand that the three components of the workflow are as follows. Number one, input. Things you must contribute to start a task. Number two, transformation. The things that happens during the task. Number three, output. The result of the completing the task, and output can also act as the beginning or input of another step. For example, if you are working at the Starbucks, who is a Hive customer by the way, the workflow would be the management of the orders and creation of the drinks. The input would be the order, and the transformation would be the brewing of the coffee, and the output would be the delivery of the drink to the customers. Essential components of workflow management software. Now that we have covered the basics of the workflow and workflow management, let's talk about the software you need to get it done. Workflow management software refers to a system that aids in the completion of the workflow and oversees repeatable process from a macro level perspective. Here are some of the essential components of the workflow management software that you should look for in a platform. Clearly defined repeatable process. Every workflow management software needs a way to take a task or project through a process with a rinse and repeat nature. Number two, macro level views to monitor progress. To optimize the workflow in a workflow management software, users need to be able to monitor the project or campaign process over the time. Number three is integrations with other apps. The whole point of the workflow management software is to make the flow of tasks and projects smooth. This means integrating with the existing tools to streamline the process and automate the tasks. Number three is analytics and reporting features. To continue to iterate on a workflow and process, you need to be able to determine how productive and successful you are, and this means you must have reporting features in your workflow management software. The best workflow management software. With all of these needs in mind, let's take a look at some of the best workflow management software systems on the market. Number one, Hive, and here we will not discuss it in detail. Number two is Kissflow. Number three, Shift. Number four, Pro Proofs. Number five, Fluix. And number six is Project Slay. Number seven, ClickUp. Number eight, Smartsheet. Number nine, Pipefy. And number 10 is Airtable. Next one, number 11 is Backlog. Number 12 is Scoro. Number 13, Monday.com. Number 14 is Asana. Number 15, Proof Hub. Number 16, Next Matter. Number 17 is Process Street. Number 18 is NetHunt CRM. Number 19, Scribe. Number 20 is Miro. Number 21 is Roik. So friends, that was all about today's session. Hope so आपको पसंद आया होगा. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए अपना ख्याल रखिएगा. हमें दीजिए इजाज़त. अल्लाह हाफिज़.